In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Google Sheets. Whether you're collaborating with a team or managing a project solo, keeping track of edits is essential for maintaining accuracy and understanding the evolution of your data. So, let's dive into the process step by step and ensure you're well equipped to monitor every change made in your spreadsheets. First, let's begin by opening up your Google Sheet. If you haven't already, navigate to your Google Drive and locate the particular sheet you want to work on. Click to open it in your browser. It's important to have access to all the data and parts of your sheet that you want to monitor, so make sure you have the right document at hand. Once your sheet is open, you're ready to proceed to track the changes that interest you. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice an icon next to the Share button, which resembles a pencil or a tiny clock. This is literally your change tracking headquarters. Click on this icon, and it will open the version history of your document. This feature is incredibly helpful because it allows you to see all the edits that have occurred. By viewing the version history, you can revert to a previous version if needed, or simply understand who made certain changes and when. It's like having a detailed audit trail of your spreadsheet's history. Once you've clicked on this version history icon, you will see a list of all the versions of your document. These versions are timestamped and labeled with the name of the person who made the edits, if that option is available. This is particularly useful in collaborative environments as it helps identify who to communicate with regarding specific changes. You can browse through these versions to get a detailed understanding of how your data has evolved over time, and if you find it necessary, you have the option to restore any prior version to resume working from that point in time. Consider taking notes on the most significant changes for easy reference, perhaps even sharing these insights with your team to ensure everyone's on the same page. And don't forget, managing permissions for your document through the Share button is equally pivotal in controlling who has the ability to make these edits in the first place. By following these steps, you've equipped yourself with the ability to track, understand, and manage changes effectively in Google Sheets. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can save you plenty of time and headaches, ensuring that your data remains accurate and your projects on track. Enjoy mastering your spreadsheets and happy collaborating.